Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the UGREEN GaN X 100 watt wall charger. Here's some details right here about the charging technology, and then we'll get to that on the charger itself. So this has a little bit different charging technology than I've seen on other 100 watt GaN chargers. You have the 3 USB-C ports. These two can handle 100 watts right here. This can handle 22.5 watts. And then this down here, which I've never seen on a charger like this, can handle 22.5 watts through the USB-A port. So you have 4 ports total, and of course if you use all 4 ports, they're going to share the wattage, so you can't get 100 and 100. So it's 100 total out of this one, or you can share the wattage from the different ports. But 22.5, I've never seen that before through a USB-A port. It has a flip out wall plug right there, which makes it great for travel. Here's some more charging details right here. You can pause the video anytime and take a look. All these details will also be in the description below. But it's a smaller adapter for the 100 watts. And it's from a company called UGREEN. And they have charge protection technology, and it fits nicely for travel or for the home office. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.